Hi, my name is Jitu Damari. I am from Guwahati and I've done my graduation from Guwahati Commerce College. And I'm currently a student of Octa Animation Multimedia, Guwahati, Jayanagar. And I've enrolled myself in the course of Diploma in Advanced Animation and VFX. After my graduation, I wanted to pursue a career in animation and gaming industry. So I started looking for institutes which will help me provide the skill set and education to build a career in this field. So after doing a lot of research and visiting a lot of institutes, I found Octa Animation and Multimedia to be the best for me. The faculty here is very skilled and have years of experience of working in animation and gaming industry. Here they guide us in every step of the way. The environment here is very open and supportive, which I believe is very important for learning. The skills that I acquire here is going to be like an investment which is going to give me very big returns down my career. It is one of a kind. The facilities provided here and the approach they use is quite unique and very impressive. And anyone who is willing to pursue a career in animation and gaming industry, I would highly recommend them to come to Octa Animation and Multimedia. Thank you.